would like to start the podcast with the quote of Mr. Warren Buffett. Accounting is a language of business. If you can't speak the language, it's very difficult to win the game. Hello and welcome to Inspiria Gyan series podcast. And today we are going to discuss about career in accounting. And to talk about this particular topic, we have a very special guest with us. Her name is Shagufta Ali. She's a part of BBA department from our own Inspiria Knowledge Campus. She is also an assistant professor. So thank you for joining in for this podcast.
Thank you so much, sir, for having me here.
Okay, so straight away we'll go towards the questions. So can you just tell us, our audience, about in a simple word, what accounting is?
Sure. When you start a business, you have suddenly got all new responsibilities. And one of the most important responsibilities is business accounting.
Yeah.
But what exactly is accounting? What value does it provide to your business?
Yeah.
Well, accounting is how your business records, organizes, understands its financial information. You can think of accounting as a big machine that you put raw financial informations into that then tells you a story about the financial state of your business.
Okay.
It tells you whether or not you are making a profit,
Okay.
what your cash flow is, what the current value of your company's assets and liabilities are, and which parts of your business is actually making money.
And talking about the money, I just wanted to ask you, basically, who we call an accountant? Who is an accountant actually?
Well, what an accountant does is much more than just crunching numbers.
Okay.
It involves a lot more problem solving than what people assume.
Yeah.
An accountant is a qualified person who is trained in bookkeeping and in preparation, auditing,
Yeah.
and analysis of financial accounts.
Okay. And this is the most important question as far as our podcast is concerned. Can you just tell our audience that what is the best career in accounting?
A career in accounting involves reporting of company financials to different stakeholders,
Yeah.
who are the internal management, shareholders, lenders, creditors, etc.
Okay.
As such, the accounting career can be very challenging. But if you can sustain the pressure and grow in your job,
Yeah.
then the same can be lucrative and rewarding.
Talking about rewards. So
So the
yeah, go ahead.
I would like to list the best career
Yeah.
in accounting is that of a chartered accountant, company secretary, actuary,
Okay.
cost accountant, and financial analyst.
Okay, that's great. Talking about rewards, I just wanted to know that what is the highest paying accounting job?
Okay. So, according to me, the highest paying accounting job is that of a CFO,
Okay.
Chief Financial Officer.
Yes, I've heard it. Yeah.
CFOs oversees the financial operations of their companies and provide leadership and focus in accounting and finance departments to ensure that they operate efficiently and comply with applicable laws and company policies. This is what a CFO does.
Yes. And I'm sure our audience getting a lot of learning from this podcast. If you have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe it. And if you have any questions, please write in the comment section. Yes, this brings us to for the next question. And the next question is, what are the two must-have qualities in an accountant?
I would like to point out that there are many more than two qualities in an accountant which are equally important.
Yeah.
However, if you want me to filter and pick out any two qualities, then that would be being highly organized and staying up to date with the latest trends in accounting.
Okay. So, and similar question, that what are the differences and the similarities between BBA, BCom and CA? Can you just enlighten our audience about this?
That's a very interesting question.
Yeah.
I would like to start my answer by pointing out an important difference between courses like BBA, BCom, and CA.
Yeah.
Courses like BBA in accounting and BCom give students a thorough overview of business and management, equipping them for employment in marketing,
Okay.
finance, human resources, and operations.
Okay.
The CA credential, on the other hand, is a specific professional designation in accounting, auditing, and financial reporting that qualifies individuals for employment as professional accountants.
Okay.
However, both the fields share some similarities with respect to the subjects that are studied. Subjects like accountancy, business economics, business law, strategic cost management, audit and assurance, and many more are part of their curriculum. So, this is the similarity and the differences these both courses share.
Okay, that's great. And what, according to you, is the better career choices available nowadays?
If I modify your question, if I
Yeah.
may modify your
Sure, go
question,
ahead.
I would like to answer it in a manner that whether BBA, BCom graduates
Yeah.
or whether being a chartered accountant is a better career choice. So I would say both programs offer pros and cons, but individual career ambitions and interest influence the decision between taking a BBA course or being a chartered accountant. The best choice is ultimately determined by personal interests, job goals, and their future plans, definitely.
Okay. And let's say that if our audience from any 12th standard student is watching this podcast, so can you just give some message to them if they want to pursue BCom or BBA, or they want to become an accountant? What message you would like to give it to them?
I would like to tell them that if they have opted for a subject stream, which is commerce stream, then they should be very clear with the basics of the commerce, which is accountancy, business studies, management, etc. In their class 11 and 12 itself, so that they don't face any problem in choosing what field they want to go into, right?
Okay. Okay, so this brings me to ask you the last question of this podcast. Tell me, who is your role model and why?
Can I give you a name from my family itself?
Sure.
So, if I may name a person from my family itself, then it's definitely going to be my father.
Okay.
I have seen him give a lot of effort in becoming what he is now,
Okay.
a great businessman who did not had the opportunity to study about the technicality of the business, yet have excelled the field really well. I would like to share what he always tells me regarding business.
Okay.
He says a person like him who lacks any technical knowledge in the field of business can excel. Then think about the kids like us who have the opportunity to who have the opportunity to study the subject, and we can take the advantage of this opportunity and set up a career goal and pave a path towards achieving it.
Yeah.
So it's never about what you learn, but it's always about how you use the knowledge and bring it into practice. And accountancy is all about practice.
Wow, well said. And I hope that audience, whenever you feel demotivated in your life, I think this line will give you motivation. So this brings to the end of the podcast. In the end, would you like to say something else?
Yes, I would like to say that if you are ever going to start your business, or if you already have started your business, or you are in the field of business, then don't ever let your business get ahead of the financial side of your business. Accounting, accounting, accounting. Know your numbers. I hope I was able to clear the queries surrounding accountancy. And thank you so much, sir. Thank you for having me here.
It was a great session, and thank you for joining in. We'll see you in maybe in some other session as well. So thank you for listening to my podcast. If you have any other questions, please write in the comment section, and if you have not subscribed this channel, please do subscribe it. Till we'll meet you with next guest. Till then, please take care of yourself. A wonderful day. Thank you.